Hello guys, welcome back. It's been some time now that we haven't been to the Philippines. One of the many things that I am craving right now is a sizzling dish. So I decided to try for the first time to make this quick and easy tuna sisig. And here's the list of ingredients which you can also find in the description box. First, we have to saute the red onions. When the onions are already translucent, then we can add the drained tuna fillets. Then we add the salt, the ground black pepper, then we add the soy sauce, then we add the green peppers, then add the mayonnaise, and then we will mix until it is well distributed. And now we add the red pepper. You have to see how spicy you want it to be. For me, the one piece of red chili pepper is just enough. Now we put the sizzling plate on stovetop, then heat on low to medium heat for 5 minutes. Then put about 1 tablespoon of butter. And now we put the tuna fillets on the sizzling plate. Then we put the onion rings on top. We let it fry for about 3 minutes or until the bottom turns a little bit brown. And when it's ready, we take the gripper, take the sizzling plate and put on top of the wooden base for serving. And the tuna sisig is ready. This is the second serving and it is almost ready. And it is really delicious. Sehr lecker. Masarap talaga siya. Lami kaayo. No doubt, my first try is really a success.